Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar, Divisional Forest Officer, Kohima. Hope you all doing well. As you all are aware, today is the World Environment Day. Generally, we mark this occasion through competition, events and programs in your schools. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19 pandemic, most of the schools are closed. So what? We have this efficient online platform to reach out to each and every one of you. This World Environment Day's theme is biodiversity. So let's start it with a small activity. So this is a game called Jenga. So let's consider this as a representation of biodiversity. So this has human beings on top. You have marine life, civet cat, our own Amur falcon, green pigeon, hornbill, kites, wild boar, and medicinal plants. So it includes almost everything. So just consider this as a representation of our biodiversity. So this is how our entire biodiversity is interlinked, and this is how it is staked. So I'm not going to disturb human beings because we are the one who disturbs rest of the things. So consider human beings, we do hunting, human beings do rampant deforestation, we use a lot of plastics and disturb our environment. So because of this, many of these stakes, many of the small elements in the biodiversity gets disturbed. So let me now try to disturb few of these things. Let's see what happens. So now I'm trying to disturb sparrows. So you can consider sparrow is now getting extinct from our biodiversity. Okay, the entire system is getting shocked now. I'm not able to remove, but still I'm trying to remove sparrows from our biodiversity. Okay, sparrow is extinct now. So next I'm trying to remove even Amur falcons from the biodiversity. Okay, there is a huge shock now. As you can see, human beings are on the top of the ladder and even we are getting impacted. Okay, I'm trying to remove some trees also. Okay, and let's remove some python also now. Okay, still biodiversity is intact, but there is a huge shock and there is a huge change. You can see how the system is now. And let me try to remove some civet cat. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the entire system collapses when the more and more species gets extinct from our biodiversity. So I hope this is quite clear, and most of you would have learned our biodiversity is quite interlinked and our ecosystem and everything is like a web. So if anything goes extinct, so it impacts everything, and moreover human beings who were on the top of the ladder, they also face the downfall. So with this, you young minds, I hope you young minds will be our ambassadors to spread the message to all our elders and our family members and all your villagers that we should not hunt, we should not go for rampant deforestation, and instead we should plant more trees and conserve and preserve our environment. I hope all of you will spread this message to your near and dear ones. Stay safe and study well, and happy World Environment Day 2 wishes to all of you. Thank you.